Good morning, students. Today we will discuss a new lesson, the early Vedic age. In this lesson, you will learn about who were the Aryans, Vedas, and the political organization, social life, and economic life of the Vedic people. First, we will discuss who were the Aryans. The Aryans migrated to India around 1500 BC. Historians hold different views about the place to which they originally belonged. Aryans were a pastoral community. Pastoral means a land used for keeping or grazing of sheep and cattle, and probably lived in Central Asia. The need for more pasturous lands and the increase in population led them to move out from their original home. They moved both to east and to the west. Some of them migrated to Europe and some of them came to Iran and India. Those who migrated to India came to be known as Indo-Aryans. Now see what are Vedas. The word Veda denotes knowledge. It is derived means to take from the Sanskrit root ved, which means to know. Vedas are regarded as one of the oldest literary sources in the world. The verses in the Vedas are written in praise of God. Vedas were part of the oral traditions which have been handed down for centuries by word of mouth. The priests preserved the text by chanting Vedas as part of their daily lives and taught their disciples very systematically. There are 4 Vedas. They are the Rig Veda, Atharva Veda, Sam Veda and Yajur Veda. Rig Veda has more than 100 sloka called Suktas. The verses in the Vedas are written in praise of God, such as Prithvi means earth, Agni means fire, Vayu means wind, Indra means rain, Surya means sun and Varuna means sky. The Sam Veda contains hymns to be sung by a special class of priests during sacrifice. The Yajur Veda contains hymns to be recited at the time of yajnas or sacrifices. The Atharva Veda is collection of songs to be uttered to ward off evil spirits. Political life. In the early Vedic period, the Aryans were divided into tribal groups. Each group lived in a village or grama. The tribes were cattle breeders. They fought wars called Gavishthi over the possession of cattle and grazing grounds. King was not a despot. Despot means stronger, nor was he all-powerful. He had to rule according to the wishes of the tribe. The king carried on the administration using the contribution given by people and the wealth seized during battle. There were 2 assemblies called the Sabha and the Samiti. Sabha was a broad representation of the people, whereas the Samiti was a political organization with few people engaged in specific administrative tasks. The basic unit of administration was a village, and the Gramini was its head. A group of village was called Vish, and the Vishayapati was its head. Many Vishayapati together to form Jana or kingdom. This was ruled by king, who would be called Raja or Rajan. Life of the Aryans. The foundation of the social life of the Aryans was the patriarchal joint family known as Kula. All the members of the family obeyed the eldest surviving male members called Kulpati or Pita. Women enjoyed a respectable position in society. Monogamy was general rule, that is, one man married one woman. But polygamy, that is the custom of having more than one wife, was also permitted. There was no parda system and women enjoyed more freedom. Women received opportunity for education. Grown-ups girl had to right to choose their husbands. Practice of child marriage was rare. Widow had the option to remarry. During the Vedic times, communities were distinguished by their professions. The Brahmins engaged themselves in Vedic rituals. The Kshatriya assumed leadership during battles, and the Vishayas engaged themselves in agriculture, animal husbandry and trade. Along with these Varnas, Sudras were the 4th Varna in the end of Rigvedic period. Occupations and economic life. Agriculture and animal husbandry were the main occupations of the people. They grew barley, wheat and rice. They also learned how to use of iron. Iron, being a tough metal, proved very useful in making tools and weapons. Besides agriculture, they practiced crafts such as carpentry, metalwork, spinning, weaving and pottery making. The cow and the horse were important animals for the Aryans. Villages were economically self-sufficient. Barter system was used for trade. Barter means exchange for other goods or services without using money. Religion of the Aryans. The Aryans worshipped the forces of nature. They worshipped the sky god who covered with the earth with an umbrella, and Indra, the god of rain, thunder and war. They worshipped Surya, the god of life on earth, Vayu, the god of wind, and Varuna, the god of skies. Although the Aryans worshipped many gods, some of them believed that there was only one supreme god who was known by different names. Most of the topics are covered. Now do this question answers your own.